How can I turn starred emails into calendar events? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new starred email in Gmail, and we'll be using that email in order to quick add an event in Google Calendar. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be starred email to calendar event. I'm going to click in the trigger box and select my triggering app, which is going to be Gmail. And my event is going to be a new starred email. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to my Google account. If you have any issues connecting to your apps that we use in this video, check out the blog in the description. I'll click continue, and then we'll test our trigger. You can see we have a new starred email. So this is about a lunch meeting. The message is, Elliot, can you meet me for lunch on Friday, 9/26 at Los Calientes at 1 p.m.? I want to discuss the Wiener House project and your role at the company going forward. Also, clear your whole afternoon because I like a nice long lunch and maybe a few margaritas. Okay, so we're going to use that email to build our workflow. So I'm going to click continue here. For my action step, I'm going to select Google Calendar. And the event is going to be quick add event. Make sure I'm connected to Google. The calendar that I want to add this event to is my test calendar. So this will take all of your start emails and turn them into events on that particular calendar. And then the text is I can import this from the email. So we'll use the subject, and we'll also use the body of the text. And Google Calendar has a system in place where it can take this text and create an event from it. So it'll find the location and the date and time of the event. So we'll click continue, and we'll test this action. And it looks like it was a success. Click continue. I can peek over at Google Calendar, and you can see the event was added here, 1 p.m. lunch meeting. If I click on it and click on the edit button, you can see all the details. So it found the date, September 26th, has the time, 1 p.m., found the location of Los Calientes, and then it just gave all the rest of the information is just in the title of the event. So all the details from that email were found and added directly into my calendar. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes. And now, anytime I choose to start an email within Gmail, those details will be used to create an event in Google Calendar. That's how I can use Workload to build a workflow that takes emails starred within Gmail and turns them into events in Google Calendar. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.